Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put text on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding and editing text on your Wix website is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the website builder editor or the Wix editor. And from there, as you can see, you can put in some text here. All right. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the add elements and there's going to be an option that says text. All I'm going to do is you have all these options. All right. You can put in the theme text like this. You can also use the paragraphs wherein it gives you a lot of room for that. If I click on explore and change the text, for example, I'm going to put in this, right? You can custom design. You can drag the text for whatever you wanted here on the website. And of course, if you wanted to add more elements and put in the text, maybe something like a collapsible text, you can also do that. For example, this one. You can change the text as well by clicking on this. It would be forwarded to that. You see, you have all of these options for you to change or adding your text here on Wix. It's a straightforward and an easy process that can improve your communication, SEO, and the overall effectiveness of your Wix website, making it more attractive to visitors and search engines alike. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.